Hi friends, this is Steph. Welcome to my kitchen. I was invited to a morning Bible study and the hostess served us some baked oatmeal. I had never had baked oatmeal and I wasn't sure if I would like it or not, but it tasted so good that I asked her for the recipe and I thought today I would share it with you. It is so easy that the ingredients and the directions all fit on this tiny little tablet that I have. And I will put the full recipe down in the description box for you. But let's get busy and start mixing the ingredients, okay? We have oats. I wanted to add a little bit of dried fruit, so I rehydrated a couple of tablespoons of these mixed berries. I'm going to be adding some chocolate chips, but I have brown sugar, a little bit of maple syrup, 1 large egg. Here's some vanilla and cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and back here is a little bit of milk. And then I didn't get it out of the microwave yet, but there are a couple of tablespoons of melted butter. So let's start mixing, okay? Here I have a 6.5 by 6.5 Pyrex dish, and I'm using the smaller size because I'm only making half the recipe. So here goes. I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, let's spread this out. Press it down just a little bit. It smells really good, as you can imagine. Okay, and into the oven it goes. I'm going to start timing it at 25 minutes. It might need a few more minutes after that, but here goes. Okay friends, here it is ready to eat. It's warm out of the oven and I topped it with just a little dab of butter in the middle, sprinkle on some cinnamon, and then at the bottom I poured in a little bit of half and half, and I am serving it with some fresh orange wedges. So it is so easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. It smells wonderful. I hope you'll give it a try and I think you would like it, okay? Alright, thanks so much for stopping by and I will see you soon. Yum. Really, really good.